Hey foodies! It's Mihaela from Blondelish.com and today I'm gonna show you how to make a low-carb cauliflower lasagna. For all my keto foodies that crave a lasagna, I've got you covered. This recipe can be ready in under an hour, so preheat your ovens to 400 Fahrenheit or 200 Celsius. I've already cut the cauliflower into 1/2 inch slices. Don't worry if it breaks, you can still use all the pieces. Heat a large pan over medium heat and add in the ground beef, onion and garlic. Sauté, mincing the meat with a wooden spoon as it cooks. Once the meat is no longer pink, stir in the crushed tomatoes and seasonings. Bring the sauce to a boil, then reduce the heat to a low and allow it to simmer for 10 minutes, stirring occasionally. Meanwhile, let's make the white sauce. Place a saucepan over low heat and add in the butter, cream cheese and heavy cream. Stir continuously until the butter is melted and the ingredients are combined. Add the grated mozzarella and continue to stir until it's fully melted and the sauce is smooth. To assemble the lasagna, spread half of the meat sauce in a large lasagna baking dish. Add a layer of cauliflower slices, then a half of the white sauce. Repeat the layers one more time. Pour in the broth. Sprinkle with the mozzarella cheese. Cover the pan with foil and bake in the oven for 35 to 40 minutes or until the cauliflower is tender and the sauce is bubbly. Finish off with a sprinkle of parsley and cool for a bit before serving. That was it for today, foodies! If you're into keto recipes, make sure you check out my cookbook, 30-Minute Keto. I'll link it down below. For the full recipe, plus tips and tricks, just check out my website, blondelish.com. And for weekly updates, like, share and subscribe.